Hi there! Ngayon ay magka-harvest tayo ng mani or peanuts. This is how we do it. Ganito yung leaves ng mani sa mga hindi nakakaalam. So there, just pull it like this and duwag-wag the pitak. And there we have the peanuts. Ganito po ang manual na pag-ani ng pag-harvest ng peanuts. So, is it fun, Baristo?
How should I pull this?
You just pull it slowly. You pull it slowly like this. And then, be careful so that the bagas will not fall down. And then, you wag-wag a little bit. No, not so much. Not so much force. So that the bagas will not fall down. And then, you put it here. We will get it later. Ay, sayang. Na-overdag ito yan. Tani, nagtubudan na gitad duma. This is so fun, right? Next. Okay, that's it. And then we have improvised umbrella here. Ginawa ni Lola. O, diba? Sobrang maparaan. And there's Mama taking out the weeds. And there's our dog. And there's our... Ano ka dito tawag dito? Paglinungan. Puon ng Cardis. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye!